Hey, welcome. If you've been thinking about how AI is going to shake up your job or even your entire career path, you are definitely in the right place. Honestly, it's the biggest question on everyone's mind right now. And today, we're kicking off a journey to find some real answers. So, what we're starting today is the very first of a 9-part series, and it's designed to be your roadmap through this, let's be honest, pretty complex landscape. We're pulling everything directly from a super detailed research report by Virtualization Options LLC. Now, these explainers are going to give you the key framework, but they're really just scratching the surface of the full report. Think of this as your guide to the guide. All right, let's just get the big, scary question out on the table, right? This is the one that probably keeps a lot of us up at night. But here's the good news. We're not here to feed that anxiety. This series is all about arming you with the tools and the mindset you need to navigate what's coming and to do it with confidence. To do that, we've broken this whole journey down into a few key parts. First, we're going to define the disruption, really get a clear picture of what we're dealing with. Then, we'll get practical and build out your personal toolkit with new strategies. After that, we'll zoom out and look at the huge role companies have to play. And finally, we'll wrap it all up by talking about what it really means to thrive in this new world, not just survive. So this first leg of our journey, covering chapters 1 and 2 of the report, is all about understanding the landscape. Before you can navigate a storm, you have to get a feel for the wind and the waves. That's exactly what we're going to do here. We'll define what makes this AI-driven change so different. So when we get to our explainer on chapter 1, we're going to hit this head on. The old rules just don't apply anymore. Think about it. Past tech shifts took decades. AI is moving at a pace of months. We'll really dig into how that incredible speed just makes those old-school 30-year career plans a thing of the past. And one of the coolest ideas we'll pull from Chapter 1 is something the report calls the 30% AI rule. The idea is that no more than 30% of your work should be something AI can do on its own. And the other 70%? Well, that's all you. Your creativity, your critical thinking, your humanity. It's a brilliant way to stop worrying about replacement and start thinking about augmentation. Next, in Chapter 2, we'll see that this disruption is not a one-size-fits-all problem. Not at all. AI hits every level of a company differently. We're going to break down the very specific challenges for frontline workers, for mid-level managers who are kind of caught in the middle, and for senior leaders trying to make huge strategic bets. Okay, so once we've got a handle on the problem, the next big chunk of the series, covering chapters 3, 4, and 7, is all about you. This is where we shift from theory to practice and start building your personal toolkit with real, actionable strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. And a core idea from chapter 3 is this massive shift in how we plan our careers. You can pretty much forget that rigid 5-year plan. The new game is all about flexible, adaptive cycles, thinking in 6 to 12-month sprints. This lets you pivot and react way faster, turning all that uncertainty into an actual opportunity. But it's not just about planning cycles. We'll also dive into 2 other critical tools from Chapter 3. First, leaning into your emotional intelligence. That's a uniquely human skill AI can't touch. And second, building what the report calls professional mesh groups. And trust me, these are not your grandpa's networking clubs. They're dynamic, diverse groups that help you learn and see what's coming next. Then, when we get to Chapter 4, we're going to lay out the most critical AI-resilient skills. These are the human superpowers, the things that AI complements but can't replace. We're talking about pure creativity, deep emotional intelligence, the ability to solve really messy, complex problems, and true leadership. This is where you'll always have an edge. And all of this personal work will build up to Chapter 7. You can think of this as the grand finale for your personal toolkit. It's where we'll take all these ideas, the skills, the planning, the mesh groups, and help you weave them all together into one single powerful, future-proofed career strategy. Right, so having a personal strategy is absolutely crucial. But it's really only half the story. The next section of our series, which covers chapters 5 and 8, flips the script. We're going to look at the massive role that companies and their leaders have to play in all this. Because, let's face it, your success is also tied to how well your organization handles this transition. In Chapter 5, we're going to introduce this really powerful concept, the AI Augmented Learning Organization. This isn't just about using AI to be more efficient. No, this is about weaving AI into the DNA of the company's learning process, making the whole organization faster, smarter, and way more adaptive. It's a total game changer. Chapter 5 also dives into the support systems that companies absolutely must provide. And we're not talking about office perks here. We're talking about transparent communication about AI, real investment in reskilling their people, creating clear pathways for you to move and grow inside the company, and providing solid mental health resources. Honestly, the companies that get this right, those are the ones you're going to want to work for. And that leads us to Chapter 8, which is basically the essential playbook for leaders. It makes the point that just buying the latest AI software isn't a strategy. This chapter is all about the deep organizational transformation and the new kind of empathetic, forward-thinking leadership that's required to navigate these times. All right, that brings us to the home stretch, our final section covering the last 2 chapters of the report. This is where we look ahead, pull everything together, and really shift our focus from just navigating change to actually thriving in it. This is our call to action. Our explainer for Chapter 6 is all about a fundamental mindset shift. We have to stop thinking about this AI disruption as some temporary storm that we just need to ride out. We have to fully accept that continuous rolling change is the new normal. Adaptability isn't just a skill you learn for a little while, it's a permanent state of being now. And finally, we'll bring it all home with Chapter 9. This last explainer is your final roadmap. It's designed to help you take every single concept we've talked about, from that 30% rule to mesh groups to adaptive planning, and forge it all into your own personal, actionable path forward. So that's the journey we are about to go on together. The thing is, the future of work isn't something that's just happening to us. It is being written right now by the choices that all of us are making. So the only real question left is, what's your chapter going to be? I really hope you'll join us for the whole series to figure that out.